at how happy you look. Look at how happy you are. You look so cute, Dad. Don't you look so cute? Aren't you just a little honey bun? Just a little honey bun. Oh. Once we get your bird shampoo, you're gonna be happy. No, you don't want to go. You're gonna get sick. I love you, Mister. Oh my God. You like the water? You like the water, Mister? Oh, no? Okay. Oh, oh, you like the water? Oh, yeah. Love you. Love you. Do you want to come now, Birdie? Come. Come. Don't worry. Oh, don't worry. Oh, good job. Good job. Go. Okay, come, little birdie, come. Your turn. I want to be with it. Aren't you a good one? You're a nice one. Even though you bit me earlier, but you're a nice one. Aren't you a good little baby? Oh, you're so cute. Oh, look at how cute you look. Look at how cute and handsome, Louie. Oh, I can just pet him with that. Can you pet him? Hold on, let me take my bandage off so I don't leak that. Oh, can I pet him? He really wants me to pet him. Cute pudgy. Oh, you little cute pudgy. You little cute pudgy. Oh my God, my shirt is getting wet. Oh my gosh, you little cute pudgy. Oh, you little cute pudgy. Leave him in the shower tub a little bit.